just wanted to take a minute to show you guys a couple stretches that I really like to encourage everybody to incorporate into their daily routine, because a lot of times we think about stretching and we think, oh, I don't have time to take a yoga class, or I don't have 30 minutes to take out of my day to stretch, or 15 minutes to take out of my day to stretch. And I just like to simplify things for you, because a lot of times we're at home. One is just sitting stretch to get the glutes and help open up the hips, relieve some pressure in the low back. And this is something that causes a lot of discomfort for all of us. We all go through it at some point in time, right? Ooh, the wind. Ah, feels great. Especially it's real warm today. But anyways, so we all experience this, and we all need to stretch. We all need our muscles to open up and release their tight grip on our bones and let our bones be in the right alignment, right? So a really easy sitting stretch that you can do is we're sitting down, just cross the leg, open up the knee, and if your glutes are tight and the outside hamstrings are tight, you're probably going to feel it right away, okay? And your knee may be up here, and as soon as you start to push it down, you're going to feel a stretch if it's really, really tight. If you have the opportunity to lean forward, what you want to do first is we'll have the tendency to kind of round our back a little bit and kind of sit like this, because, we sit a lot, so we get tired, and the back just kind of rounds out. I guess the universe is liking the fact that I'm finally putting this video on. I've been trying to do it for a while now, but here we go. So cross the leg, press the knee down, and try to sit straight up, or just think of lengthening the spine, okay? Just think of each one of the vertebrae, try to create a little bit more space between. If it's sitting like this, try to expand it, try to let the tailbone, let the hips be heavy, try to lift the rib cage up, and then try to keep the chest in front of the shoulders, and a little bit of pressure on the knee, and stretch forward. If you're having any discomfort in the low back, you'll actually feel it pulling here. And it should feel really good. If you're having a lot of pain, it might hurt, but just go until you feel like it's giving you the stretch and the opening that muscle needs. Just listen to your body. It'll talk to you if you listen closely. And if you're not having any low back pain, you'll definitely feel it in the glutes. And it should feel really, really, really good. Okay? So, hope that helps. Try it out. You only have to do it each side for maybe a minute, 2 minutes if you can. If you're working at a desk, this is a really, really great stretch for you to do. And I recommend to do it as many times throughout the day, because you'll be at the desk, you'll be reading, and you can just be sitting there looking at the computer, reading, doing whatever. Or if you're working on a paper, you can be looking down at your desk, sitting there looking, and stretching. And you don't even have to really pay attention to it, and you still get benefit out of it. Granted, I posted videos about mindfulness recently, and the more you go into things purposefully and consciously, you get even extra benefit out of that. But there's no reason to not do the stretch when it's so simple, and you will definitely get the benefit out of it. And as you start feeling more benefit, then that's just going to be more encouragement, more motivation to do a little bit more purposefully and consciously. So hope that helps for you guys. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you think, how it's making you feel, and I'll talk to you soon.